Well, Honorable Adams spent the night inside Phakathi Within, locked up. But the question is, did he spend the time writing his speech for his next media appearance? What's going to happen with his bail application? Is he going to appear in front of the magistrate within the next 48 hours? What is going to happen? This is definitely a developing story, but I am back to you with another development in what I thought was Honorable James responding to Patricia Mashale indirectly. Well, Patricia Mashale says, let me tell you something, because Honorable James had said on her Facebook page, I stand with no one. And you see, these are two women with large personalities, but they have one thing that makes them similar. Their fight for justice and corruption, but it looks like they're at two ends of the ring right now. Oh, Dereleen had said, I stand with no one who's on the wrong side of the law. So Patricia Mashale came into Honorable James's comment section, and this is what she had to say. What crime did he commit, if I may ask? Did he commit a crime by exposing the truth about the Sindiso Makatla killer, or is the crime because he did not hand himself over to the police in time? The way you are rejoicing, I really hope you'll be able to stomach the real truth. I still respect you as a fellow woman who is trying to expose the rot in the system, and I hope you will be there when the real truth is eventually exposed. You know that we always keep evidence and receipts. We don't just make allegations without evidence. The real killers of Sindiso Makatla are being protected, but the truth cannot be hidden forever. You might try to deny it all you want, but it starts with a colored. He is indeed the first one to be arrested in this manner, as if he raped or killed anyone. Parliament is full of criminals, but none of them was ever or will ever be arrested like this. Sister to sister, colored to colored, Patricia Mashale said, I'm going to be the bigger person. I'm not going to respond to you on the side. I'm not going to talk and respond to you but not address you. No. Patricia Mashale said, inside Phakathi, within your comment section, I'm going to address you head on. But at the same time, she says, I still respect you as a fellow woman. And these are two women that are fighting huge fights. And if you saw my previous video, I said to you, when two giants are fighting, it is the grass that suffers. Actually, that's not the saying. It's when two elephants are fighting. It's actually the grass that suffers and not necessarily them. Let me know in the comment section. First of all, is Honorable Adams going to be granted bail? After such a search for the man, after the man didn't respond to all the calls to report to the police station, do you think he stands a chance to literally be granted bail? Will Honorable James extend an olive branch as well to Patricia Mashale, and will they walk on the same tightrope? All I can tell you, the heat is hot. The heat is so hot, it's burning hot. And we can't ignore these two women and what is presently going on. But this is definitely a developing story. I'll be back with any further updates, especially after Honorable Adams appears at the magistrate office. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. That encourages me to keep you updated on this, because there's so much more. There's going to be so much more. I'm calling it. But I'm going to end this right here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, to comment, to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.